In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people on Google Meet. If you've ever found yourself needing to quickly bring someone into an ongoing meeting, you've come to the right place. Whether you're collaborating on a work project or coordinating with family and friends, knowing how to efficiently add participants to a Google Meet session can be incredibly useful. Let's walk through the steps together, and soon you'll be a pro at keeping everyone in the loop. First, you'll want to start by navigating to Google Calendar. Google Meet is tightly integrated with Google Calendar, making it easy to manage your meetings. So, go ahead and open Google Calendar. Once you're there, find the event that corresponds to the meeting you're planning to join. This is where you'll initiate the Google Meet session. Click on the event, and you'll see an option that says Join with Google Meet. Clicking this link will launch the Google Meet interface and connect you to the session. It's as simple as that to get started. With the meeting interface open, direct your attention to the screen. You'll notice an option that says Join Now. Clicking Join Now places you in the meeting, ready to connect and collaborate. Once you are in, take a look around the interface. It's designed to be intuitive, allowing for seamless communication and collaboration. Now, to add someone to the meeting, look for the option labeled People, which is usually represented by a silhouette icon or a group of people. Clicking on this will bring up the list of current participants. Here, you will find the option to add people. Click on this, and you'll be ready to include more participants into your ongoing meeting. Next, you'll be prompted to select the individuals you want to invite. You can do this by typing their email addresses into the field provided. As you type, Google may suggest contacts, making it easier and quicker to find the right person. Once you've entered all the necessary emails, the final step is to hit Send Email. This action not only invites the person to the meeting, but also sends them an email notification, ensuring they're fully aware of the invitation. And there you go. With these simple steps, you've successfully added a participant to your Google Meet session. Whether you're looking to include a colleague who just became available, or perhaps bring an expert into the conversation, you now have the tools to manage your meetings with confidence. Remember, practice makes perfect, so the more you use Google Meet, the more natural it will feel to manage your participants seamlessly. Thanks for joining me today, and happy meeting!